BlackHawk Engineering has been in the community since 1972. We have been making high precision parts for various manufacturers since then. We started out kind of as a small tool and die type company in the 70s and expanded beyond that into production machining through the 80s and 90s, and that's been our key core competency is production machining of heavy castings since the early 80s. As we expanded our facilities, we had an aged air compressor system that needed to be upgraded. So we looked at various options of how to upgrade what we had. And compressed air is very key to our operation. It's as important as electricity or communications. So it was a key element of our operation. We approached Cedar Falls Utilities about various equipment we were looking at and what our options are, and they presented us, how we can save money with different options.
BlackHawk Engineering reached out to Cedar Falls Utilities and said we're looking at making some changes to our compressed air system and would like some guidance on the energy efficiency aspect of it. And as a result of that, BlackHawk Engineering made a number of improvements, installing a air compressor that has a variable frequency drive within it, which means it can vary its capacity. So when it needs to produce a lot of compressed air, it's capable of doing that. But when it doesn't need a lot of compressed air, it doesn't waste energy.
This overall project had the benefits of giving us the capacity we needed for future growth, of course. The other thing, it was very reliable. Now we have modern equipment that is efficient and variable with a lower energy cost. So we have it was a key failure point in our operation that if we lost compressed air, it would cause a lot of downtime in the machines. So that is an exponential problem when we lose air, and we have not had that situation with the new compressors. It's very reliable, very efficient, energy efficient, and it allows us to maintain more capacity with the same amount of energy cost.
Working with BlackHawk Engineering is great. We really try and become an integral part of the process and help them make the best decision. And then at the end of the day, I get the best part. I get to bring a check out and say, good job guys on choosing energy efficiency, help Cedar Falls Utilities in our environmental stewardship goals.
Congratulations to BlackHawk Engineering, winner of the 2020 John Milton Overman Award for CFU Energy Conservation.
I'd like to thank Cedar Falls Utility for this award. They've been a very valuable partner in the community for every major source we need. That's for energy, telecommunications, and they've been a valued partner throughout this. We've had, in our holding company, we have other companies, and I would say that they believe that our utility company, Cedar Falls Utility, is far above what they've seen throughout the nation. So it's recognized we have a valued commodity here with Cedar Falls Utilities in this community. And I'd like to thank them, the entire team at BlackHawk Engineering that worked on this project and coordinated with everything. It was a successful project. We realized the savings, and we're already looking at future projects for this and others, both to keep BlackHawk very competitive and a strong employer in the community.